After we show new best sold out bikes, and most popular bikes in Japan country, now we got full body walk around, close look, with beautiful exhaust sounds. The all-new 2023 Honda GB350S model, that now available in worldwide. Honda GB350S is complete with LED lighting and a hybrid gauge system utilizing both analog and digital clusters. This bike is the best of both worlds. And for the 348 cubic centimeters thumper of an engine is mated to a 5-speed transmission, producing a total of 20 horsepower. Pair that with smooth throttle response and you have a bike that's both fun to ride and easy on the eyes. How do you feel for this beautiful retro bike's 2023 new Honda GB350S model? Please let me know your feel by comment below. Sure, this model available in Japan, Europe, and Asia, but my country not yet released. If you buy this model and ride ready, how do you feel? Sure, I think one day I can drive this classic motorcycle. Okay, after watch my video above with walk around, close look, and exhaust sound, I think you will more satisfied of this model. Before you leave, if you didn't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell to see my new video each first. Thanks for watching.